wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again! And we're doing another science project.
Science.
And this one I've been looking forward to for weeks, months,
Years.
not really.
Yeah.
We haven't existed that long, but I really have been looking forward to doing this one.
Oh, wow. You're so excited. You're excited like I'm normally excited.
I know, but this is really cool because we are going to teach kids something about clouds.
Ooh, wait.
Yeah, we see
Wow.
clouds every day.
Yeah.
Almost every day.
Most every day.
Mm-hmm. You know, they float in the sky above us and block out the sun.
Yeah, they do.
Sometimes clouds are white and puffy.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes they are dark and cover the entire sky.
Yeah.
You know that different kinds of clouds can mean different kinds of weather?
What? No, I didn't know that.
And do you know what clouds are made of?
Do you?
Yes.
What?
Let me tell you.
Okay.
Clouds are made of tiny droplets or frozen crystals of water.
Ooh, water.
Do you remember the crystal science episode we did?
Mm-hmm, I do.
So, it's a similar type of form.
Oh, so kind of like snowflakes. So snowflakes are then made of water too.
Exactly.
Oh, I get it.
So, how do they form? Most clouds form as warm air rises in the atmosphere.
Whoa.
Atmosphere is up in the sky.
High in the sky.
High in the sky, exactly. That's what's called atmosphere.
Atmosphere.
And once that warm air rises, it starts to cool down.
Why?
Because all the way up there, all the way up,
Way up.
it's colder than down here.
Oh.
And then, what you need to know too is all air contains some water vapor.
All of it?
All of it.
Wow.
And when warm air can hold more water vapor than cold air can, that vapor turns into tiny droplets of water or ice.
Yeah.
And as more air cools down, more droplets form and they eventually become a cloud.
So a cloud is just a lot of water stuck together in the sky?
Exactly.
Wow.
Do you know clouds are often described by the level of where they form?
I do know this.
Do you know the four? Can you name the four?
I can. There's high level, middle level, low level, and vertical.
And what is vertical?
Vertical means up, oops, down and up, or up and down.
Exactly. You're funny. Up and down?
Yeah.
You got
up
that one
and
mixed
down.
up. Kids,
Just a little bit.
up and down.
Down.
Okay. It's
They
good that
probably
you know
already
that.
knew that.
So, but you are exactly right, Olivia. Those are all correctly described clouds.
Oh, yay.
But let me tell you the names and the different shapes of them.
Ooh, yes.
So high cloud is called a cirrus cloud.
Cirrus cloud.
They're all the way up in the sky.
High.
And they are usually very, very thin.
Oh.
They appear during good weather.
Oh, I like good weather.
The middle level clouds, which you said, they are called Altostratus clouds.
Altostratus clouds.
So, Altostratus are medium level
Altostratus.
clouds that form a dark gray covering.
Ooh.
Usually that's a sign of rain.
Ooh, rain.
That
or
means-
umbrellas.
Umbrellas. Or quickly go inside of a building.
Yes.
Now, we haven't really talked about the low level clouds, have we?
Nope.
Low-level clouds are called stratus clouds. Mm-hmm. They are usually flat and tend to cover much of the sky.
Ooh.
They are gray in color and may produce light rain or drizzle.
Ooh, just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Nice.
And then it's the cumulus cloud.
Cumulus cloud.
The vertical cloud.
Ooh, vertical.
Up and
Up.
down.
And down. Or up and down. No?
No. It's down,
Down.
up,
Up.
up,
Up.
down.
Down.
So, may I continue on?
Yes.
Cumulus clouds are low to mid-level clouds. So they're not all the way up. They're like mid-level to low level.
Okay.
They are big, white,
Ooh.
puffy,
Puffy.
and beautiful looking clouds.
Like a puffy pillow in the sky.
Exactly.
Nice.
They usually mean good weather unless they grow really, 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 really tall.
Whoa.
And they turn into big clouds.
Whoa. And what does it mean if they turn into big clouds?
They can be very dangerous, actually.
What?
They can mean violent thunderstorms
Oh.
with heavy rain,
Oh my goodness.
hail, and even tornadoes.
What? Whoa.
If that happens, kids, you want to make sure to quickly go inside or even into a basement if there's a tornado. Because those are really, 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 really dangerous.
Yeah, but just if there's lightning or thunder, that doesn't mean a tornado, right?
No, that doesn't mean a tornado.
Yeah.
Only
Only a tornado means a tornado, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
When there are thunderstorms and heavy rain and hail and lightning,
Yeah.
you still should go inside of the house because you don't want to be struck by lightning.
Yeah, that's true. You want to go inside and maybe read a book,
Exactly.
sit by the fire,
So,
have some hot cocoa.
let's see if you really, really paid attention because I'm just going to ignore you.
What? I wasn't
Hot
paying
cocoa.
attention. Yeah,
Hot cocoa you drink when it's cold and snowing.
But sometimes when it rains, it's kind of cold.
Depends on where you live.
Yeah.
You can be in the rainforest and it can be hot rain.
Yeah, but maybe if you live someplace that's hot, it doesn't ever snow and then the rain is as cold as it gets. And you still want cocoa.
You always think of candy, food, chocolate.
I feel like you're trying to tell me something, Noah, but I don't know what.
Can I test you now? I want to quiz you.
Oh.
And I want to quiz the kids.
Yes, please.
Okay, kids, I have a quiz for you.
Yay!
How do you call a cloud that forms on the ground?
I don't think you told us that one.
No, I know.
But
But you're smart kids, and Olivia, you're smart. Think really, really hard.
Oh! Fog!
Yay! So good. That was very,
good.
very smart.
Whew, I didn't know if I knew the answer to that one.
Have you seen fog before?
Yeah, I have.
Yes.
Yeah, fog is really cool.
Fog is at the ground.
Yeah, that's a very low cloud.
It is a very, very low cloud.
Yeah, you can walk through it.
You can.
Yeah. Birds can walk through clouds in the sky, too. Well,
They fly through it. They don't walk.
Yeah, they do walk, but not on the clouds.
Yes, that's true. So, but let's get to our experiment because I'm really, 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 really excited about this one.
I'm so glad you're really, 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 really excited about this one.
Because kids, today we're going to make our own cloud.
Whoa!
Yeah, and Olivia, you're going to help me out. You're going to tell the kids what they will need in order to do this experiment at home.
Okay, so first you're going to need a jar with a lid, and then you're also going to need a thing of hairspray. I think you have some, Noah.
Which I have right here.
Yeah, it's aerosol hairspray, so it sprays out. And then we're also going to need some boiling hot water, which means you 100% need an adult for this one.
Yes. Make sure that your mom or dad helps you with this one.
And you also need some ice cubes.
I already got those from the fridge.
Thank you. We're also doing one thing, because we're not sure if it'll work, but we want to try it, where we take food coloring right there, and we're going to put some food coloring in one of the jars of water to see if it'll maybe make a colorful cloud, but we don't know if it will. But it'll be fun to try.
Yeah, we're gonna try it out. Because science is all about experimenting and trying things out, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. So
Yay.
let's get at it. Let's see if we can create a cloud in a jar.
Okay, so let's get our boiling water. Mom!
Mom! Dad!
Dad!
Help!
Kitchen! Fire! Boiling water!
There's no fire.
There's no fire. I don't know why you said fire. Now Mom and Dad are scared. What I meant was, Mom! Dad! I'd like some water!
That sounds better.
Good.
Kids, get all of those ingredients so you can do this at home, and we'll be right back
Yay!
to show you how to do this.
Science!
Science! Science!
Science!
You always have to have the last word, don't you?
No. No.
Kids, help me out.
He's just sad I'm the funny one.
First, you have an adult pour some boiling water in your jar. It's very hot, so don't touch it.
And then you're gonna take the hairspray, shake it, and spray it in there. And then quickly close the lid.
And I'm gonna take and put a little bit of food coloring in mine. And then you spray it, please.
And I will spray it for you.
And then quickly also close the lid.
And then take an ice cube. I'm gonna take 2.
Yeah.
Give you 1.
Yep, thank you.
Ooh, I have 3. Do you want one more, Tori?
Yeah, put another one on mine, please. Thank you.
Ooh. Oh, time for some goggles exploration.
Yes. Goggles.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Looks pretty good.
Those clouds are awesome.
Your cloud looks really, really cool.
Yeah, so does yours. Mine's maybe like a rain cloud and yours is like a summer cloud.
Do you know the name of those, or did we forget everything that I just taught you?
I remember the summer cloud.
What's it called?
Yeah, it's Cumulus.
Correct.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
Do you remember the rain cloud?
The rain cloud is called Stratus.
Stratus. I thought so. Ooh. Yeah, my cloud did not get pink.
Nope.
Nope.
It was a good try.
Mm-hmm. Do you know why the ice cubes are on top of the jars?
Because it needs to be cold, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's what we were talking about.
Yep.
As soon as the air vapor turns cold,
Yep.
it creates clouds.
Yep. The hot water goes woo, and then it gets cold.
Up on there, and then it creates and forms those clouds. Pretty cool, huh?
Very cool. This was a very cool experiment, Noah. You were right.
It was. I really enjoyed this one.
Me too.
It was a lot of fun.
This is one of my favorites.
Well, kids, you can do that at home as well.
Yeah. It's pretty easy. All the stuff you mostly likely have at home already.
Should we do a quick recap so the kids know?
Yep.
So, a glass jar where you can pour in hot water
With a lid.
with a lid. That's very important. Hot water.
Boiling hot water. So an adult.
Yes,
And a can of aerosol hairspray.
exactly. And some ice cubes.
Yep.
And then we want to hear how the experiment went for you.
Yeah. And you can send in pictures or word stories.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Anything that you want to send us, we would love to read and present on our show.
Send them on in, kids.
So I hope you learned a lot about the different types of clouds that we see every day in our life.
Yeah. I learned a lot about clouds.
I'm happy to hear that.
Do you have a favorite kind of cloud, Noah?
I like the vertical cloud.
Yeah. Me too. The cumulus. Because that means it's sunny and I can play outside.
Well, sometimes it feels like it's a cloud that you can sleep on.
Yeah, I like that too. Are you tired?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So kids, I think that's it for today's show. Thank you for watching Dream Again. And we hope to see you again next time. To do more
Science!
science. Woo! Okay. Bye kids. Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below.